my videos are supposed to be horse related. But there's this one issue that really disturbs me. Disturbia was a good movie. Do you know what it is? Canadian seal hunting. Each spring, millions of harpsies come to the ice floes off the coast of Newfoundland, a province of Canada. They come to breed and give birth.
Save your breath, I know the story. I've heard it all before. Go read the letters that I wrote you, they're scattered on your floor. I'm sitting here patiently, thinking I have to let you go. I already know what you're gonna say. I've heard it a million times before. Don't wanna hear it anymore. It's time I let you go. Save your breath as you can see. There's no more fooling me, no, no. I stayed up thinking late last night.
Warning! This may contain brutal and disturbing images. The federal laws of Canada give a sealer 3 ways for hunting seals. 1. He can shoot a seal with a rifle or shotgun. 2. Break its head with a 2-foot-long club. 3. Smash in the seal's brains with a 4 or 5-foot wooden pole with a bent metal spike affixed at the end. The only choice out of these that sounds reasonably humane would be to use a shotgun, which would result in a quick death. But the sealers choose to club or use hacker picks to kill seals instead of shooting them, because the direct shot is easier and the clubs take less time and accuracy to kill a baby harp seal than a rifle shot. Don't forget that it also preserves the pelt that is worn for fashion. This baby seal pelt fashion is found in Finland and Hong Kong, Germany and Turkey, Russia and Denmark, Kazakhstan. In total, over 13 million coats were purchased in 2005. In total, over 13 million seals were killed for these purchases. For thousands of years, native people of northern latitudes hunted seals for both food and fur, for warmth. The most recent 300 years brought a new reason for killing seals: commercial exploitation. In the 1990s, the cod fishing business collapsed, and 40,000 people lost their jobs. Newfoundland politicians came up with a plan to blame the harp seals for the loss of the cod. Thus, harp sealing became the alternative to cod fishing. Sound fair? But not everyone is for this cruel hunt. Protesters every year travel to the Newfoundland area to help protect the seals. They join hands and stand between the sealers and the panicked seals. Sealers with no patience often attack the protesters.
Tell me, am I ever gonna find my angels alive? I've got him on my mind again, yeah. And though I search, I never win. Tell me, am I ever gonna find my angels alive? I've got him on my mind again, yeah. And though I search, I never win. I'm told that if you seek, you shall find your most my hopes aside. Boy, so praying I'll be found in time. Extra, extra fish just in. I've been living a life from the beginning. I told myself no, no one else. Now I can't help, I'm laughing at this life that I am living. Tell me, will the song come out to play? Am I ever gonna find my angel this life? I've got him on my mind again, here. And though I search, I never win. I'm told that if you seek, you shall find your angel. Oh, I'm throwing most my hopes aside, boy.
Please go to www.saveseals.org and sign any petition to end this horrific yearly hunt. Do something. Be an angel. You could save lives.